What is up, guys? Sam with Hiner Outdoor Living, and we've got
Marshall with Hiner Outdoor Living.
And back here we've got...
Hello, I'm Robert with Hiner Outdoor Living.
And we are at Pondemonium 2022. We are touring around Aqualand, Aquascape's headquarters. Gorgeous property, whole bunch of water features. We're going to go ahead and give you a little glimpse at what's going on since all of you guys can't be here with us today. So let's flip this around and take a look at this pond.
We are the yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
Oh, we got Marshall in his old habitat. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see what we can do.
What's going on, you guys? It is day 3 of Pondemonium, and I am currently got some downtime doing a little bit of office work, but I am doing this at one of my favorite places in the world, and that is Aqualand. This place is awesome. They have a huge pond and water features all over. Right now, it's kind of nice to get a little downtime just to catch up on some busy work, but with that being said, I don't think this is interesting, but some of these water features that I'm about to show you are. So let's go ahead and take a look.
What are we doing, Roberto?
We are getting on a bus with air conditioning to go look at ponds.
Alright, guys, we are loaded on this bus with some of the best pond builders in the world. And we're about to go on a tour.
What's going on, everybody? We excited? How beautiful it is, and how the homeowners live with it, and how they have their setup. They're outside.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. I can say that as many times as I want.
Each artist chooses their top three. Their number 1 gets 5 points, their number 2 gets 3 points, their number 3 gets 1 point. It was a landslide on who the artist of the year was. But I will tell you this, every year, more and more names are getting thrown into the mix. And I think what's happening is the bar is raising and raising and raising. Who's inspired all of us throughout the year is none other than Ralph
YouTube, TikTok, all that. So we're here at the most recent project done here, and it is this modern water feature. Hey Brian.
So this is a new version of a rec pond, right? A lot of clean lines, very formal looking. We've got our wetland filter back over here, which still kind of has that natural look to it. We've got some spillway bowls carved into some walls over there. We got a cantilever deck over on that side. What I'm sitting in is one of my favorite spots. This is what we call like the little swim cove. So you can sit down on this rock, which is about 18 inches above water. You can sit over here, sit over there, sit on the steps, kind of ease your way in. And if you want, you can push off in between these rocks and get down in about 4.5 feet of water. And then the best part is the area that those guys are standing at over there. If you go look around the other side, that's our koi window. So you can go check that out, and then you can be see through there. Now it's a little cloudy now because Greg just threw his turtle and some giant koi in here and it stirred everything up, but you get the picture.
So one thing that I really like about Aquascapes and coming out here is they have so many different styles of water features. They got the famous huge water feature out in the front, fountainscapes all over the place. They got 2 new water features that I haven't seen. This is my 5th time coming here, and they have these huge 8-foot urns that they custom made to represent the artists of the year for Aquascapes. And my personal favorite that I just checked out is the modern pond or rec pond